Good morning, students. I am Vetri Chelvi from Vetri and Vetri Neet Chemistry. Today I am going to give the video for the preparation of alkynes. Okay, now previous video I gave for alkane and alkene, and this is for alkynes. Let us go to the video. As already I told, you prepare the tabulation with the serial number, name of the reaction, reagents, reactions example, and another important points. Okay, already I instructed you focus on first started with the reagents. Now let us see. The first reagent is I am seeing calcium carbide in presence of water. So what is this indicate is one and only reaction available in the hydrocarbon lesson is preparation of alkane by hydrolysis of calcium carbide. So that is industrial preparation of alkyne, that is ethane. Let us go to the equation. So reagent indicate hydrolysis of your carbide. What is the reactant is calcium carbide. The calcium carbide during hydrolysis, what is happening? Breaking of the bond. So here H, OH. Here H, OH. You are getting the acetylene, that is your ethane. So this is the industrial preparation of ethane. So this is the preparation. So this calcium carbide you are preparing from calcium carbonate, that is the limestone. Limestone on heating gives calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide with carbon, it gives calcium carbide. While writing the formula of calcium carbide, stick on with the valency of carbon. Carbon triple bond carbon, here carbon valency 3 plus 1, 4 you are. So this is the way you are writing, giving explanation for carbon valency. So preparation of your ethane by hydrolysis of calcium carbide over. Next we are coming to the next reagent. I am seeing the reagent is indicating alcoholic potassium hydroxide, and then next alternative is sodamide. So what is it indicate is dehydrohalogenation. Now let us go to the here reagent, reaction type of reaction is from vicinal dihalide, and it is written with the beta elimination. Let me explain what is the meaning of vicinal dihalide. Dihalide means, let us see here, dihalide means two halogen, vicinal means they are attached on the adjacent carbon atom. So this is vicinal dihalide. On putting this, you are having idea, this alcoholic potassium hydroxide give indicated, that is on heating it follows the dehydrohalogenation, removal of hydrogen and removal of bromine, and it follows the beta elimination. These are the important tips. Now let us write the vicinal dihalide is writing the available both halogen on the adjacent carbon atom. So beta elimination. Now it is the Br bromide as a alpha fixing mean this hydrogen I am going to remove. So removal of Br with the bond, removal of hydrogen as it is. So the bond shifting takes place here, and there is a formation of your double bond here. Okay, next the second step it followed by NaNH2. Okay, if you are going with NaNH2 mean the alkyne is resulted as a terminal alkyne. Here since it is 2 carbon, there is no question of terminal, whatever it may be the terminal. So indicating terminal. Okay, now the same beta elimination minus HBr. Now the one and only Br is available. So this carbon is alpha. So this carbon is beta. The removal of halogen with the bond and the removal of beta hydrogen without the bond. And this bond is shifting here. And now you are getting the product removal of HBr, and it follows the beta elimination. So knowledge is same. Okay, now we are moving to the next condition. Reagent, alcoholic potassium hydroxide, sodamide. So two separate things are given. So something related with dehydrohalogenation. Now let us see what is given. Double dehydrohalogenation. Now here the designation is geminal dihalide. Let us see here. Dihalide means two halogen. Gem means what is it? They are attached on the same carbon atom. Here they are attached adjacent. It is called vicinal. On the same carbon atom, it is called it as a gem. So it is halide, so gem dihalide. Now this was indicated, what is it called? Removal of what is dehydrohalogenation? Removal of hydrogen and halogen. So now I am writing, here it is. Here what is happening? This one alpha means this is beta, remove it. The bond is shifting here. Then it is, you are removing this and this is the bonding is shifted here. So because of that you are having the alkyne which is given as the internal alkyne. What is the meaning of internal alkyne? Mean the triple bond is not on terminal. It is, that is non-terminal is called as an internal alkyne. Internal alkyne you are getting in the presence of what is it called as the alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Same gem dihalide, if you are using sodamide and followed by the hydrolysis with water mean sodamide ended with the terminal alkyne. So what is, how you are getting the terminal alkyne mean, this is your what is called reactant. Okay, here the first step removal of here, again second step also removal. The triple bond formation taking here. So this is due to the sodamide. So this is very important information. Any in which you are using mean it should be the only the terminal alkyne. So now let us see the continuation of the some more preparation of your alkynes. Now let us see to the reagent. Zinc on heating. So what is zinc on heating mean? That thing is dehalogenation of. So what is dehalogenation? It indicates removal of only halogen. Let us see the reactants. Vicinal tetrahalide. So 1, 2, 3, 4 halogen on adjacent carbon atom. So vicinal tetrahalide. What is indicate zinc? Here it is zinc. Removal of only halogen, halogen, halogen. That's all. Now this one, this is removing and bond is shifting. This is removing and bond is shifting, and you are getting the product. Here not specific about terminal or internal, depends upon the position of the halide you are getting. Knowledge is zinc if you are using mean the reactant is only halide, all are halogen. So this is removal of halogen. Okay, next coming to the next reagent, sodium or potassium salt of the acid. During electrolysis mean it is the Cole's electrolytic process. This reaction for alkane, alkene, alkane, all the category are coming. Here what is written is sodium or potassium salt of maleic or fumaric acid. Maleic and fumaric acids are the trans isomer. Okay, in fumaric acid it is existing as a cis, and maleic acid it is 1 minute correction now. Maleic acid is the cis, then automatically fumaric acid is the trans. Okay, so now let us see the maleic or fumaric, whatever may be. This is the sodium or potassium salt. During electrolysis, break this one, you are having the ethyne followed by remaining as usual. Okay, now we are moving to, this is very quite common equation only. Now we are moving to the next one is bromine, and followed, this is bromine first step that we can call it as a bromination, followed by alcoholic potassium hydroxide, sodamide. So what is this indicate is, now let us see the type of reaction. Here the heading is alkyne from alkene, that is you take a double bond converted into the triple bond. So what is this combination knowledge giving idea, double bond should be converted into the triple bond. Okay, now you can see children, double bond and it is a triple bond. Only one double bond, one bond should be removed, or I can say 2 hydrogen should be removed, 1 bond should be included. So removal of hydrogen, it is not easy as you think. So what it takes place is 2 steps. First step is you have to add a halogen, that is called halogenation, step number 1. Afterwards you have to remove this one by one. This is called dehydrohalogenation. Minus HBr, again another minus HBr. So 2 steps. First one double bond to halogenation. Second step is dehydrohalogenation, takes place in 2 levels. First one let us see here. Here it is halogenation bromine. You are getting the product. Then alcoholic potassium hydroxide introduced to the knowledge of dehydrohalogenation, removal of Br and 1 hydrogen. You are getting the single bond is coming as a double bond. the removal of this bromine with the hydrogen, double bond is become triple bond. The second category you are using sodamide. This is because of sodamide you are getting terminal. Sometimes if it is not sodamide, alcoholic potassium hydroxide excess mean the same answer of course. So this is indicating double bond converts it to triple bond. Okay, I am moving to the last method is what is here? Sodium or sodamide liquid ammonia. This is the first level. Second level it is given as the RX. So the sodamide this indicated. What is the tips is given? Lower member to higher member or chain extension of terminal alkyne. That is the alkyne at the terminal. Okay, let us see here. Now this is your ethyne with the sodium. It gives the first addition product, that is removal of hydrogen, and it gives this one, and it followed this is which is having 2 carbon atom which is treated with the RX. What is happening? The sodium is removed, RX introduced, and this is 3 carbon. So increasing a carbon number 2 to 3 at the terminal position. So this is the important of the reaction. Now let us see the based on that the question. Okay, the question is here. Neet 2016 children. In this reaction, it is written as ethyne, and I am seeing the what is called reagent. Sodamide and liquid ammonia, terminal carbon is substituted. Okay, now I am writing here. Let us see the equation how I am approaching. Now write here CH triple bond CH. Okay, this is with sodium. This is terminal is there. So this one just you put in. Okay, in the second, next one what is written is reactant is, this is called ethyl bromide. This is the reactant. So what is happening? This one is coming out and this is take place. So the product what you are getting is CH2, CH3 and CH. Now the same thing should be followed. Mean what is happening? This carbon, what this place, what are the things will be happen? So whatever things happen there is takes place here also. Now what is the product? This is the product. So what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now 6 carbons. So 6 mean hexane, hexane. Then remove this AS1. Hexane, and triple bond is on the 3 carbon atom. So now 3 hexane. This is 3 hexane. This is spelling is hexane. Okay, children. So 3 hexane is the second product. So now I am finding here where you are having the 3 hexane is this. So 2 options are available. Let us see the first one. What is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. After 1, 4 carbon. So it is 4 carbon, name it, it is the butane. Since it is the alkane, you are writing A instead of write this is. Position is also, first this compound is X is the 1 butane. So now the option is 1 butane. So this is the correct answer. With that I am concluding today's class, children. Thank you, children.